How to turn off Instants on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to remove the feature from your inbox completely. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen to go to your profile page. After that, tap the three lines at the top right of your profile page. At this point, scroll down and tap Content Preferences. From here, find the Hide Instance in Inbox toggle and turn it on. Following this, once that toggle is enabled, the instance feature will disappear from your DM inbox completely, and you won't receive any instance from other people either. After that, if you also want to stop getting notifications for instance, go back to the main settings page and tap Notifications. From here, look for Instance in the notification categories and tap on it. At this point, select Off to disable both instant alerts and emoji reaction notifications, so nothing comes through related to the feature at all. From here, if you're not ready to fully disable it, but just want a temporary break, there's a quicker way to pause it without going into settings. Just press and hold the instance photo stack in the bottom right corner of your DM inbox and swipe right to hide it temporarily. Finally, if you ever change your mind and want to bring the feature back, just go back to Content Preferences and toggle Hide Instance in Inbox back off, and it will reappear in your inbox straight away. That's how you turn off Instance on Instagram. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.